Hello YouTube, this is Dazzathecameraman. Today is Monday, 19th of June 2017, and this is another attempt at trying to explain star rotation to the flat earth believers. Now as you can see, I've got this set up here. This was actually being set up in response to Geronism's Star Trail Challenge. I went out and bought some gear yesterday, this lampshade which is hollow, and some dowel and some other bits and pieces, some laser pointers. But of course Wolfie followed up with a second video which completely answered Geronism's videos, and Geron has accepted that he was wrong and issued a response video. So in this video I'm going to use this equipment to try and explain the opposite direction star trail rotation in the Southern Hemisphere, because I know it's difficult when you're trying to visualize things in 3D and from opposite rotations, especially on a globe where you've got people who are effectively upside down to the people on the northern half of the globe, or the Northern Hemisphere. So as you can see, I've got this globe rotating, and those of you who are onto it will notice that this globe is actually rotating in the wrong direction to be the Earth. And that's probably a good thing for the purpose of this demonstration, because we're actually going to be looking at the star rotation rather than the Earth rotation. Now the star rotation, from the point of view of a globe Earth believer, is of course due to the rotation of the Earth, not due to the rotation of the stars. So the Earth rotates from west to east, not from east to west as we see here, which means that the resulting apparent direction of the stars as they cross the sky is from east to west, as the Earth moves from west to east. But as we can see in this example, we've got the rotation from east to west. So this is going to be our star sphere rotation from east to west. So first of all, we're going to have a look at this from a Northern Hemisphere perspective, where we're looking up towards the North Celestial Pole at the stars rotating around Polaris, which means that I've got to go underneath the Earth and actually look up underneath at the stars in the sky rotating around Polaris. Now let me just get this right, and as you can see, the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, which is exactly what we see in the Northern Hemisphere as we watch the stars rotating around Polaris. So if this was a star trail, this is exactly what we would see, the stars rotating around Polaris in an anti-clockwise direction. So let's back out again, we'll keep the motion going. And now we're going to look from a Southern Hemisphere perspective, so we're looking down and we're going to see which direction the stars appear to rotate from this position. And I can't actually see my screen from here, so I'll have to check in a minute, otherwise I'll have to stand on a chair and do it again. But hopefully you'll be able to see that the star rotation around the South Celestial Pole is now clockwise, whereas before it was anti-clockwise. So I hope that this little demonstration explains exactly what we're seeing with star rotation.